अवेलेबल कहाँ कहाँ पे है ये। हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी, आई नो राइट, but I'm back with just another skincare product review video for you all. I'm sure this will make up for the lost time that I have not posted for the past few weeks, I would say. But today I'm going to be talking about a much awaited and a much talked about product, which is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now, if you watched any of my review videos in the past, I do have a particular pattern that I follow while reviewing any product. And the first thing that I always talk about is the packaging, because I feel like जैसे कहते हैं ना, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज द लास्ट इंप्रेशन. पैकेजिंग इज दैट थिंग फॉर मी. पैकेजिंग इसीलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज कोई प्रोडक्ट कितना लंबा लास्ट करता है, कितनी उसकी क्वालिटी रिटेन होती है, ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन द पैकेजिंग ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. अगर वो पैकेजिंग बहुत फ्रेजाइल है, ग्लास अच्छी क्वालिटी का नहीं है या उसके ड्रॉपर्स अच्छी क्वालिटी के नहीं है, द प्रोडक्ट वोंट लास्ट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम विथ मी एंड अल्टीमेटली आई विल सफर एज अ कंज्यूमर और अ कस्टमर. सो आई फील लाइक पैकेजिंग इज समथिंग वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, नॉट जस्ट फॉर द शो, सिर्फ दिखावे के लिए नहीं, but packaging is important for the use as well. So talking about the packaging of this particular product, as you can see, this is a very small glass bottle and it's a very crystal clear glass. Now ऐसी glass bottle packaging के दो तीन फायदे हैं. First one is quite obvious, देखने में बहुत सुंदर लगता है, बहुत luxurious लगता है. I think you'd agree on the fact that this does look very luxurious and very high quality product. Second thing, transparent glass bottle होने का फायदा ये है कि हम प्रोडक्ट देख सकते हैं इसमें कितना बचा हुआ है. इफ इट इज अ टिंटेड ग्लास बॉटल तो उसमें हमें थोड़ा ऐसे झांक के देखना पड़ता है कि कितना प्रोडक्ट बचा है बिफोर ऑर्डरिंग फॉर अ बैकअप. ऑल्सो ऑन दिस बॉटल यू गेट द नेम ऑफ द ब्रांड रिटन, L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. Now they have clearly and boldly mentioned 1.5% of hyaluronic acid serum. I will come to the 1.5% concentration of the product a little later in the video. Other than that, on the back side of the bottle you do get the quantity of the product mentioned, which is 30 ml, and use daily before your moisturizer and avoid eye contours. That's it. That is all that the bottle says. It's very minimal. Other than the glass finish of the bottle, you also get a dropper with it with a white colored cap, which makes the color scheme look very very pretty, I would say. Lock system of the dropper is again very very easy and tight. It's not flimsy at all. The dropper does not mold. ऐसे दबाने से ये मुड़ता नहीं है, ब्रेक नहीं होता, which I've seen with a lot of droppers. Trust me when I say this. I've used a lot of serums in the past. एंड ज्यादातर ड्रॉपर्स के जो होल्डर्स होते हैं यहाँ पे, दे आर वेरी वेरी फ्लिम्सी, बहुत लो क्वालिटी प्लास्टिक उसमें यूज होता है. नाउ आई बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द सीरम इन डिटेल बिकॉज इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी इज समथिंग आई रियली नीड टू टॉक टू अबाउट. Consistency of this serum is very lightweight. It's not too runny and not too thick as well. I've used a lot of serums in the past जिन्हें ऐसे drop करो and they just go on running till your neck within a split second, and it becomes very very difficult to bring them back up on your face and keep massaging it into your skin. This one is pretty good. It's not too runny. It just sits on your skin for 2 to 3 seconds until you start massaging it into your skin, and I feel like that's a pretty good consistency. It's not too thick कि आपको उसे बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें pressure लगाना पड़े, which tugs on your skin and ultimately beats the purpose of the serum. Talking of the hyaluronic acid component of this serum, so it's very difficult to keep saying hyaluronic acid all the time throughout the video, so I'm just gonna call it HA. I hope you understand that. Hyaluronic acid, as much as I have studied and know about it, I even googled it before making this video so I don't put across wrong information. Hyaluronic acid is already present in our skin. Its main function is to retain moisture and keep our skin and tissues well lubricated. I will attach a screenshot right over here just so you get the reference of what Google has to say about hyaluronic acid. And 1.5%, according to the researchers, is a pretty safe bracket to be used on the skin, and you can even use it twice a day, so you can include it in your nighttime as well as your morning skincare routine, and it is perfectly safe. This particular L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum has been tested specially on Asian skin. Serum is a pretty good combination of the components that work into your skin and also on top of your skin. So this one is formulated using micro and macro HA, which is hyaluronic acid. Micro HA particles का काम है स्किन के अंदर वाली लेयर्स पे जाकर काम करना और हमारे स्किन के टिश्यूज को वेल ल्यूब्रिकेटेड एंड मॉइस्चराइज्ड रखना. इससे जब हम किसी प्रोडक्ट को लंबे टाइम तक यूज करते हैं तब हमारे आउटर सरफेस पे भी दिखाई देता है. बट नॉट जस्ट दैट, फॉर इंस्टेंट अपलिफ्ट ऑन योर स्किन, इट ऑल्सो हैज मैक्रो HA पार्टिकल्स जो हमारी स्किन के ऊपर वाली लेयर्स पे काम करता है, जिससे हमारी स्किन बहुत यूथफुल और प्लम्प दिखाई देती है, विच इज वन ऑफ द की फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. एंड आई हैव ट्राइड इट ऑन माई सेल्फ. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस फॉर 2 weeks, approximately 15 days, and I apply it religiously before going to bed. I have used it in the morning as well before applying my makeup. It is completely safe to apply makeup on top of it, and trust me when I say this, you would not feel like you're wearing a lot of layers on your skin. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले सीरम लगा लिया उसके ऊपर मेकअप भी लगा लिया, so you would feel heavy. And at this point, I would like to throw in some pointers that I have worked with L'Oreal Paris in the past. I have used quite a lot of their products, and one thing that I've noticed is consistent with their formulation is that their products are very, very lightweight. Every formulation that they make, it's very, very lightweight, and you never feel like you're wearing a lot of layers. And the same goes with this one as well. Right when you apply it, you might feel a little stickiness on your face, but that's only till the time it gets absorbed. And trust me, this gets absorbed within 2 to 2.5 minutes, not even 3 minutes. I think it's a pretty promising product to have in your skincare routine. It's a must have, must include product in your skincare routine. So I hope I covered all the topics about this product, its formulation, packaging, its usage, its chemicals that are used in it, and if you still have any questions about it, you can ask me in the comments down below. If you want to purchase this product, I will have the links added in the description bar below. It's available on L'Oreal Paris official website. It's available on Nykaa, on Amazon, and you can just easily have your hands on this product. And yeah, let me know if this was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I would be more than happy to clear them out for you, since I've been loving this product so much. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, and normal dropper. लॉक सिस्टम ऑफ, ये मुझे वीडियो नहीं शूट करने देंगे आज. And it becomes very difficult. I'm just gonna you can even Google these stats and अवेलेबल कहाँ कहाँ पे है ये.